Hello, thank you for calling. How may I help you today? Can I have your account holder and your date of birth? Okay. Tell me your address clearly, your member ID as well. Let me verify your information, everything will go so well. Is your policy active? Do you have a pending claim? What's the point of impact? Who was really at fault that day? Was there a collision? Did the airbag deploy? Was the bumper cracked? Or the fender destroyed? Did the ambulance take someone with their bodily injuries? The adjuster starts the investigation, looking through every detail carefully. If your vehicle is still reparable, take it to the body shop today. We'll prepare an estimate and process everything your way. Application, appointment, benefits every day. Coverage deductible, premium you will pay. Checking account, credit card, direct deposit too. Payment arrangement, business days. We'll work it through for you. We'll work it through for you. Need a doctor, need a clinic, maybe physical therapy. Need a pharmacy or copay, we'll check your eligibility. Please complete your paperwork, bring your proof and ID. We'll confirm your application as quickly as can be. Insurance, policy coverage, claim. Every call is not the same. Stay professional, speak with care, helping people everywhere. Implication, appointment, benefits every day. Coverage deductible, premium you will pay. Checking account, credit card, direct deposit too. Payment arrangement, business days. We'll work it through for you. 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 Thank you for your patience, thank you for your time. Your case is being processed, everything will be just fine. 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 Application, appointment, benefits every day. Coverage deductible, premium you will pay. Checking account, credit card, direct deposit too. Payment arrangement, business days. We'll work it through for you. Need a doctor, need a clinic, get through for you. Need physical therapy, need a pharmacy or copay. We'll check your eligibility. Please complete your paperwork, bring your proof and ID. We'll confirm your application as quickly as can be.